What is up, party people? Today we are going to do the 9th hardest hike in the world. At least that's what my friend says. It's 25 miles long. We're overnighting on the trail tonight. So right now, we're on our way to pick up some supplies. This music's royalty free, so ha ha ha. Yeah, it's in my playlist, leave me alone. So I should explain, we're in New York right now, and this trail is called the Devil's Path. So we got cheese wieners, sardines, Spam, and cookies. I think we're gonna make it. Oh god. Alright, so we parked the truck over here, and this is where we're gonna be popping out. Yeah, buddy. Tomorrow. Predator Trailhead. So now we gotta drive half an hour to the Spruceton Road. Alright, here we are on Spruceton Road, about to embark on our journey, and it's like 4 o'clock. So, and we're supposed to do like 13 miles today, so we're gonna be doing some night hiking for sure, but it's okay. Here's my setup with my stupid jacket tucked into my stuff and whatever. It's supposed to get cold. I feel like I have a lot of stuff. Alrighty, let's get started on this thing. Yeah, so welcome to the entire hike. It all looks like this. Uphill. Oh, it's all uphill. Badass, dude.
Uphill. And then you get to go downhill. Then you get to go uphill. Then you get to go downhill. Then you get to go up.
I feel like starting with that uphill was actually kind of nice, because it just kicked our asses right out the gate. And we're like, oh, okay.
Yeah. It's too warm. Blood is gone.
Damn, son. Yep. Just make some noise. Roar.
Hey, bear. The mom comes peering out.
Should we go? I heard something. He's lurking. Anyway, love the uphill. Alright guys, so we started at 4 o'clock. Obviously it's already getting dark and now it's starting to rain. And we have big plans the next couple days.
We started just too late, you know?
Yeah, if we were here at like 5 in the morning, I feel like it'd be different, but 4 p.m. dude.
I was kind of excited for the night hiking, but it's looking like we're gonna be hiking the entire night, so.
Yeah. And then we'll be destroyed for the next couple days.
Mm-hmm.
So we might just go camping somewhere else.
Yeah, because I'm sure we'll be partying with Bella and partying at Blank. And
yeah.
No sense in getting a disease out like last time.
All right, so there it is, guys. The honest truth. Can't do it.
Heavy feet.
Yeah, so we made the mistake of not really preparing for this like we should have, but I'm definitely going to come back and finish this trail sometime. Mark my words. Yes. Made it back to the car, so that was like, what, maybe just under 5 miles total?
Yeah.
But you know what? I don't even feel bad, because we're going to go back and have some beers and whatever and get in the hot tub, so yeah, whatever. Whatever. Oh no. All right, so we're back in the truck. As you can see, it is absolutely dumping rain right now. I have my stupid off-road lights on just to mess with him, but yeah, so we didn't much feel like doing the hike in the pouring rain since it's already such a hard hike. And yeah, I definitely was not, we just didn't prepare like we should have, you know, obviously coming this late, not checking the weather. And yeah, it definitely would have been super physically demanding, especially on me, because I don't run marathons like he does. And then we have plans to party with some people tomorrow, and the day after that is a concert. So it's like, do we really want to toast ourselves doing all this? Nah. Let's go back and have some beers in the hot tub. Since we were headed to his sister's college the next day and a Blink-182 concert the day after that, we just decided to head home and chill out. Reliving that college life, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's gonna be a fun night. We're just gonna chill here and... Since we got to the dorms in the afternoon, we had a few hours to kill, so we went up to Lake George to check out a massive car show. How was your experience at the car show?
A lot of loud that I don't know what it is, so. So cute, walking right in front of the cop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had like cereal today.
This Bronco is sick. I need one of those. It is a crime that this thing isn't orange with an 01 on the side. So this car's got some nuts. And this one is split in half.
What's this radical?
Hey, I was there during the winter.
Dude, why have we not come here all summer? This is beautiful.
Dude, this view, these cars, come on. These are my cars, bro, the BMWs. Oh my God, I want an M4 so bad. Direction at all.
It was disgusting. Oh my God. Ew. If they're not in here, I'm telling you, she never had 4 in here.
I swear to God.
They're not in here.
And it looks like
You know, we spent all night getting up to all sorts of shenanigans. And in the morning, we changed a flat tire and got bagels. Dude, it's been so long since I've seen one of these salamanders up in New York. Oh my God. I used to hunt and collect these things all the time. That is so awesome. Oh yeah, it's Blink Day. That's right. We're going to see the best band in the world, Blink-182, babies. It's going to be my second time seeing them. Loved them for forever. Blink-182, Blink-182. Oh, that was just such a good show. Cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Back to school time. Just kidding. We're back up here visiting Aiden's sister Bella again, staying at Sienna overnight. Ooh, concert was yesterday. It was the best thing ever. Got my shirt on. Oh, loved it. I loved it. Do it again in a heartbeat. Just hung up some fall lights. Big chillin'. Hey guys, So the truck is over there, and this apparently is the start of a hiking trail. So we've been just bouncing around all over the place, having a good time with friends and everything. I guess this trip has been more about that than actually truck camping and hiking, you know. So I figured I'd come out here and maybe end this one off with a bang and go for one last little hike. And this trail is literally called Waterfall Trail. So I know there's tons of waterfalls and cool stuff on it, and I'm very excited to see. Oh wow, okay. Blaze a little trail here, I guess. Hopefully it's not super ticky today. I love how we're like in an industrial park. And there's this trail here. Oh yeah. It's been a really great visit, and I'm wearing another Blink-182 shirt. Best band in the world. That show was so awesome. I'm having a lot of fun seeing everybody on this trip, but I'm excited for our next upcoming trip next week, where we're going out west and we're doing another big classic style truck camping adventure, and it's gonna be awesome. Nifty little bridge. Wait a second. I feel like I stumbled onto a mountain bike trail. These look like little jumps and stuff. And there's no trail markers anymore. Oh, look at this cute little tiny bridge. Splish, splash, sploosh. Boop. That is a pretty steep drop. Doesn't look like it on GoPro, but it's pretty steep. It's a nice trail. I like it. It's not just an oval on flat ground, you know? So that's nice. And we don't get to see waterfalls like that in North Carolina. They're just in abundance over here. So that's pretty awesome. So I totally think that this is an ATV trail that we stumbled upon. And again, why is it like right behind an industrial park? That's so crazy. Or a business park, I should say. Well guys, we made it back to Johnson. I think I'm gonna call this video here. We still have lots more adventures to go while we're up here in New York. And then like I said, next week we're going out west, so whew, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be crazy. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. Hope you enjoyed everything from the concert to the failed hiking attempt to the successful one we just did. All right, see you very soon. Bye.
Here's a few bonus clips from after I filmed the outro. I got to go back to another school in upstate and join a frat for a day. But the world will never know.
Honestly, for what we do.
Keep an eye out for next week when we start heading out west to the desert. You know that place? The desert.